Today I'm going to show you how to do a back scoop for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz channel. It's all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. If you're not sure how to do a back scoop, hopefully this video can help. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your front snap. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. When you start this move, you're going to start in a backside stance. Turn slightly towards your target. You're going to place your cheat leg on the ground and your other leg in front of you. From there, you're going to put your hand on the ground behind you and try to turn it slightly. Then you're going to push your chest up and try to bring your cheat leg through. Push off your other leg and kick that cheat leg all the way through and around into a backside stance. Now, there are some different ways to perform this trick, and I recommend you get used to them because we will be doing them in combinations later on. You can let your back leg follow through all the way around to a frontside stance. You can spin 180 degrees into your back scoop, and you can also combine using the spin and the follow through to get the most momentum out of this trick. Key things to remember: focus on keeping your body weight over your shoulder as you jump. Make sure that you're pushing through the balls of your feet when you jump, and also make sure that you're looking at the ground when you do this skill. Let's go ahead and check those out one more time. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like to support the channel just a little bit more, you can visit patreon.com/Upraiz Tricking. And just by pledging $1 a month, you give me the ability to keep this curriculum going. Here at Upraiz, I'm all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Next, we'll be getting into a back swipe, and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing, Upraiz.